Good morning, ma'am. This is Anushka Srivastava of class 8A, and today I will be doing an experiment to show that plants absorb water through roots. Since in these times we don't have test tubes at home, so I have taken 4 whole small bottles of plastic. I have marked these as control 1, test 1, test 2 and control 2. The test tubes have also been marked as test tube A, test tube B, test tube C and test tube D. For this I have used plants like these. Now in all the other ones, here I have taken 4 test tubes for which I have used 4 small bottles like these, which are holed at the top. This is test tube A. In this we have taken only water and no plants. In test tube B, there is the same level of water as test tube A, and in this we will put this plant. Here we have test tube C. It has colored water and some oil on the top. This also has the same level of water as in test tubes A and B. I have already put the plant in this. And in test tube D, we have only few drops of water, and in this we will put a plant. I have marked these test tubes as control 1, test 2 and control 2. These test tubes have been marked as A, B, C and D. Test tubes A, B, C have the same level of water, whereas test tube D has only few drops of water. We will observe these test tubes for 2 days, and after 2 days we will observe the change in water level. We need to mark the level of water in these test tubes. Now it's time to observe our experimental setup. It was raining for quite a lot of time and the weather was humid. So there wasn't a noticeable change in these setups. That's the reason I kept them for 2 more days, and now after 4 days we can see a noticeable change in the level of water. In test tube A we can observe that there is no change in the level of water since it was closed on the top tightly and there was no outlet for water to escape. In test tube B we can see that the water is almost 3 millimeters down over here, and since the plant absorbs water through roots, the plant is standing erect, happy and alive. So we could see that there was the same change in the level of water as it was in test tube B, and also since there was color in the water, therefore we can see that there is some color to the leaves and to the stem as well. Now we shall observe what has happened inside. We can see that the stem is colored as well. It is having some slightly red color, and even this plant hasn't wilted as plant B. In test tube D we can observe that since there was only a few drops of water, therefore the plant has wilted as it had no nutrition to reach all the parts of the plant, and even those drops of water have disappeared because of the heat and due to the transpiration. So this was our experimental setup. We had kept this for 4 days, and after 4 days we could observe this. The aim of this experiment was to show that plants absorb water through roots.